Hey guys, sorry about the poor lighting. I'm just installing these Enduro Engineering handguards for a 22 Beta Xtrainer 300, Cross Trainer 300. This is the model number. I'll put some links below, but I just got the Evo 2s there. And I didn't bother with the plastic shields. I don't bother with those really. This is my second set. I put a set on the electric motion. And there's a left and a right in terms of the fit. I'm going over because that works better with my controls. A lot of people go under, but it doesn't really matter. There's a left and a right. And the way you kind of easily figure that out is just look at the taper of the, you can see it's wider on the right side in this case. It's wider over here. So obviously match that to the width of your bars. So if you were going to do them under, you obviously, if you're going to do them over now, over the controls, you have to flip from left to right so that the taper lines up with your bar shape. And this one, you can see the taper as well, how it gets wider on the right side in this case as well. And then there's marks. You see that little diamond mark at the tip of my thumb? Those match up with this piece. So you'll see two little triangles. Put them together, match the taper to the thickness of your bar because you know your bar's getting thicker as it goes, and you're good to go. Do a loose fit. And once you do the loose fit, it's much easier to just tighten everything up once everything's on. Hope that helps you guys. Enduro Engineering handguards on a 22 Beta 300 cross trainer. Talk to you later.